Sidewalk Labs project in Toronto, where a whole district is being planned with AI at its core. Imagine a cityscape where artificial intelligence is a silent partner in managing energy usage. Sidewalk Labs is doing just that, utilizing AI to optimize energy consumption, making the district more efficient and environmentally friendly. But it doesn't stop at energy. Waste management also gets a smart upgrade. AI-powered systems are set to sort, manage, and reduce waste, promising a cleaner, greener urban environment. And let's not forget public transportation. With AI, Sidewalk Labs aims to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of public transit systems, reducing congestion and carbon emissions. The potential environmental benefits are immense. Lower energy consumption, reduced waste, and a more efficient transportation system all contribute to a significantly smaller carbon footprint. This project shows that with AI, we can plan and build urban environments that are not only efficient, but also sustainable. From managing traffic to optimizing energy usage, AI is playing a pivotal role in transforming our cities. Our exploration into the realm of AI for smart cities has taken us through a captivating journey. We've seen how AI is reshaping urban environments, making them more efficient, more sustainable, and ultimately, more livable. We delved into the workings of Pittsburgh's SurTrack system, an AI-driven traffic management solution that has significantly reduced wait times and carbon emissions. We've also explored how Sidewalk Labs in Toronto is leveraging AI to create an entire neighborhood that's smart, energy efficient, and designed for people. These are not just isolated instances, but a growing global trend. AI is becoming an integral part of our urban fabric, helping us to tackle some of the biggest challenges of urbanization. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible with AI, one thing is clear: the future of our urban environments is smart, efficient, and sustainable.